Good day, financial enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for wealth education and financial literacy. We're here to dive deep into the vast ocean of wealth, exploring its many layers and secrets. Today, we're setting sail on a journey through the different levels of wealth. We'll chart a course through financial stability, security, and freedom, decoding the mysteries of each stage. Now, prepare to venture into the fascinating world of wealth and its diverse levels. Wealth, a word that tickles the fancy of many, but what does it truly mean? It's not just about having a lot of money. It's a broader concept that encompasses more than just your bank balance. Picture wealth as a tree, with its roots grounded in the soil, its trunk steady and strong, and its branches reaching out towards the sky. Each part of this tree represents a different form of wealth. The roots, grounded and firm, signify material wealth. This includes tangible assets like real estate, luxury cars, jewelry, and other goods. It's what most people envision when they think of wealth, but it's just the surface. The trunk of the tree represents financial wealth, the money you have saved, invested, or that generates income. This could be stocks, bonds, savings accounts, or even a profitable business venture. It's the backbone of your wealth tree, providing stability and support. But a tree isn't just roots and a trunk. The branches that stretch out, reaching for the sky, symbolize intellectual wealth. This is your knowledge, skills, and experiences. It includes your education, your expertise, your ability to create, innovate, and solve problems. Intellectual wealth is often overlooked, but it's what allows the tree to grow, to weather storms, and to flourish. Now that we understand the different forms of wealth, let's introduce the concept of levels of wealth. Think of it like climbing a mountain. The journey up this mountain is a progression, from financial stability to security to freedom. Each level represents a stage in your wealth journey, and each comes with its own challenges and rewards. Each level requires a different mindset, different strategies, and different actions. It's not just about making more money, it's about understanding how to manage it, how to grow it, and how to protect it. Understanding wealth is the first step towards achieving it. Let's delve deeper into its levels. Imagine not having to worry about your daily expenses. That's the first level of wealth, financial stability. Now, let's dive deeper into what financial stability really means. Financial stability is essentially the ability to maintain your current standard of living without the constant worry of financial distress. It's the comfort of knowing that your income reliably covers your expenses, and you can handle unexpected financial shocks like a car repair or a sudden medical bill without going into debt. But why is financial stability so important? Well, it's the foundation upon which all other levels of wealth are built. Without it, it's difficult to accumulate savings, invest in your future, or enjoy the fruits of your labor without the looming shadow of financial uncertainty. So, how can one achieve financial stability? It starts with understanding your financial situation. Track your income and expenses, know where every dollar goes, create a budget, and stick to it. This will help you control your spending and ensure that you live within your means. Next, build an emergency fund. This is a stash of money that you set aside to cover unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. Then, start paying off debt. High-interest debt like credit card debt can keep you in a constant cycle of financial instability. Make a plan to pay off your debts as quickly as possible. Finally, invest in your future. This could mean contributing to a retirement account, investing in the stock market, or even starting a business. The goal is to create sources of income that are not tied to your time or your ability to work. Remember, financial stability doesn't mean you're rich. It means you're not living paycheck to paycheck, you're not burdened by debt, and you have a safety net to fall back on. It's the peace of mind that comes from knowing you can handle whatever financial curveball life throws at you. Financial stability, while comforting, is just the first rung on the wealth ladder. Let's keep climbing, shall we? What if your income streams could cover not just your needs, but also your wants? Welcome to the second level of wealth, financial security. Financial security is more than just being able to pay your bills on time. It's about having enough savings and investments to cover your current lifestyle and future goals. It's about feeling comfortable, knowing that you can weather any financial storm that might come your way. Think of it like this. Imagine you're in a boat. Financial stability is the boat itself, keeping you afloat. Financial security, on the other hand, is like having a life jacket and a sturdy sail. You're not just floating, you're moving forward with confidence. So, how do you reach this level of wealth? The first step is to create an emergency fund. This is a safety net that can cover at least 6 months of living expenses. It's not meant for vacations or shopping sprees, but for unexpected events like a job loss or a medical emergency. Next, focus on clearing any high-interest debts. These are like leaks in your boat, draining your resources. By paying them off, you're patching those leaks and preventing them from sabotaging your journey towards financial security. Once you've done that, it's time to invest. Investment is the wind in your sail. It's what propels you forward. The key is to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread them across different assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, is to continually educate yourself about finance. The seas of finance are ever-changing. By staying informed, you can navigate them more effectively. Financial security provides a sense of comfort and control. It's knowing that you can afford to take risks, to pursue your passions, and to enjoy the fruits of your labor without worrying about the future. But as comfortable as this level of wealth is, remember, there's still more to aspire to. Financial security gives you more freedom, but there's still a higher level of wealth to aspire for. Picture a life where you can do whatever you want without worrying about money. This is the pinnacle of wealth. Financial freedom. It's a concept that many of us dream about, but few truly understand. It's not about having an unlimited amount of money, but rather it's about having enough to cover your lifestyle without having to actively work for it. It's the state of having your assets like savings, investments, and passive income sources take care of your financial needs. Your money is working for you instead of you working for your money. It's the ability to take that dream vacation, start a passion project, or simply spend more time with loved ones without the constant worry of depleting your resources. But achieving financial freedom doesn't just happen overnight. It's a journey that requires planning, discipline, and consistency. It starts with understanding your finances, knowing your income, your expenses, and your financial goals. It's about being smart with your money, learning how to save, invest, and manage your wealth effectively. Then comes the process of building your wealth. Investing wisely can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. It's about making your money work for you through avenues such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. It's also important to create multiple streams of income. This could be starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or creating a product that generates passive income. The goal is to have these income streams cover your expenses, allowing your wealth to grow without you having to trade your time for money. Of course, this journey isn't without its challenges. There will be risks, there will be setbacks, but with the right mindset, the right plan, and the right actions, financial freedom is attainable. It's about more than just money. It's about the freedom to live the life you've always wanted, without financial constraints. Financial freedom is the ultimate goal, allowing you to live life on your terms. We've journeyed through the different levels of wealth. Now let's take a moment to recap. We started with understanding wealth, highlighting that it's more than just the accumulation of money, but rather a state of mind and lifestyle. We then moved on to discuss financial stability, the first level of wealth, where one has enough income to cover expenses without living paycheck to paycheck. Next, we delved into financial security, the second level of wealth. This level is achieved when your investment income can cover your basic needs, allowing you a certain level of comfort and peace of mind. And finally, we talked about financial freedom, the highest level of wealth. This is where your investment income not only covers your basic needs, but also your wants, allowing you to live life on your own terms. Each level of wealth brings its own challenges and requires different strategies. But remember, it's not a race. It's about making consistent, informed decisions that move you closer to your financial goals. Remember, wealth is not about extravagance, but about freedom and security. Thank you for joining us on House Lux Estate. If you found this enlightening, please subscribe for more wealth education insights. Until next time, keep climbing the wealth ladder.